Now, good people, huge shout out to First Team Subaru for allowing me to review the 2018 Subaru STI. Today we are reviewing the 2018 Subaru STI. Right here we are looking at a 19-inch black alloy wheel. Right here is a 2.5 liter turbocharged, pushing out 305 for the MPG Highway 22 City 17. Here's the sound of it. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with Recaro seats and Alcantara in the center. Also, you have sports pedals to give that sporty feel. On the left, you have your engine temperature. On the right, you have your gas gauge. In the middle, you have a 7-inch colorful display. Now we are bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. The buttons over here have your traction control and your trunk release. On the floor, you have your gas release. On the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control. We are looking at a 7-inch digital boost gauge. We are looking at a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay alongside your CD player. Now we're bringing it down to your door climate control. This has an air filtration system to keep the cabin air clean. Beneath the climate control, you have a 12-volt outlet with an extra storage space. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model only comes in a 6-speed manual transmission. Right here you have your different drive mode settings. On this particular model you have heated seats. Now we done made our way over to the cup holder area. We done made our way to the center console. Inside you have your 2 USB aux with a 12-volt outlet. Now we done made our way to the back of the vehicle. We have the red seatbelt to match your red and black leather interior. Back here you have your cup holder area. Now we done made our way to the cargo area. Back here is very spacious. Huge shout out to First Team Subaru for allowing me to review the 2018 STI. If you need any information about First Team Subaru, I'll leave a link in the description below. Real quick, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.